Hey guys, it's Tanaya. I'm back with the blow dry tutorial on how I blow dry my natural hair. I'm just using a Kiss blow dryer. I got this from Walmart and it came with a few attachments, but I used the comb attachment like this. This is a routine that I've been using for years, and the biggest thing, like I said, if you watched my wash day tutorial, is these 4 sections that I have my natural hair in. So by me detangling my hair, I already detangled my hair. By me using these 4 sections, it just makes the process easier, and it's just like less shedding overall. Because just detangling your hair in sections makes it even better. So I start with one section and I actually break this in half, and then I begin to blow dry my hair. And I play around with going on like a warm setting or hot. Most of the time I do hot. I try to be good and do warm, so it's not like as much heat, but sometimes I'm bad. Like I deep condition my hair. Let me go grab my heat protectant because I'm bad. Sometimes I always don't use it, so let me go grab that. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna start to blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that in my sections. Alright guys, so again, I'm using my Kiss blow dryer with the comb attachment. Now, I do see some people use like the brush method. The comb attachment is just something that I grew up on. So this is the method that I've been using ever since I started to do my hair. And I just go section by section, and I do have those 4 sections, but I split them in half. Okay, so I basically do the same process for each section. I clip it back and then I move on to the next section. And don't come at me, I know I need a trim. I'm going to be trimming my hair right after this in a separate video, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel to check out that and how I cut my hair. So yeah. Now, just so you guys know, I don't wash my hair weekly. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I used to wash it weekly back in the day, but washing it every 2 weeks means I just put heat on my hair 2 times a month. So that sounds a little better to me. So I wash it every 2 weeks and do this process. This is half of my hair that is blow dry versus what my hair looks like not blow dry. My hair, I guess, I mean, you can clearly see the shrinkage, but it's not like dramatic shrinkage. So I'm going to do the other side and then come back. Okay guys, so my hair is fully blow dried. I did use the warm setting on my blow dryer today to try to be good. My hair doesn't act right if I air dry it. It just acts very tangly and dry and everything. It only acts right when I blow dry it, and I don't know if that's because I've been blow drying my hair for years. But when I tried to air dry it, I was forced to air dry it because a week and a half ago, my blow dryer like freaking almost blew up on me and I had to get a new one. So I had only blow dried one section in the back, and the rest of my hair I was forced to air dry, so I put it in some braids. And it was just dry and tangly, and I put moisturizing cream on it, a few oils, and my hair just doesn't like to be air dried. So I need to learn how to get my hair to air dry and still be able to feel like it's detangled and not like dry, and you know, it just tangles in itself when it air dries. So this is my blow dry tutorial. My biggest tip is to use the 4 sections, as that's the biggest thing that I do that helps me out. And yeah, I've been natural since September of 2000. I went natural September 2015. That was my last relaxer. I cut off all my relax ends, and after a year and some change, so that was like March 2017. I have a video, all that stuff on my channel. Maybe I'll link it in the description box if I can find the link. So yeah, I've been growing my natural hair out for some years now, and I am going to be making a trimming video in the next one. So I'll see you next time. Bye.